So in this video, we're going to talk about Pinterest. They announced their earnings this past week. And Q4 2024 guidance disappointed investors, which is why the stock sold off. Now, despite surpassing expectations for the third quarter performance, again, the company's outlook for the current quarter fell short of expectations. And the short guidance overshadowed Pinterest's positive Q3 results, which included an 11% increase in global monthly active users to the tune of 537 million. Now, the disappointing outlook comes at a bad time as the company enters a crucial holiday quarter, traditionally a strong period for ad-dependent platforms such as Pinterest. Now, this is the monthly chart, and you can see we have a weekly sellers level at $47.50, and we'll see that zone and how that was formed when we go down to the weekly chart. As you can see from the monthly chart, price gaps higher, nearly dipping its toes at the bottom of the zone before collapsing. Now, on the downside, it's hard to tell, but you have this drop in price, one basic candle, and then a rally out, and that's actually a hammer candle. And so we're going to put a zone there to mark off monthly buyers at $22.50. All right, so now we're going to go down to the weekly chart. Now, here was that level that was formed back in November of 2021. You had a drop, a gap and go, three basing candles, and then the rally out. So you had a rally in, basing candle, and then the rally out, forming this weekly sell level. And this collapse that we saw back in July formed another weekly sell level. At about $41.50. All right, so just kind of looking at current price going down and to the left, and we see this extended range green candle on very high volume. This had to be on earnings. I like this little level here. It's not fresh as it was already touched. But nevertheless, let's see if there's something right here on the daily chart. This is that gap down we saw. And on Friday, it left investors with a doji candle. Now, also on the daily chart, you have a drop in price basic candle and then the gap and go. So you do have daily sellers at $38. So that would be the first target to the upside if when price reverses and shoots higher. Now let's go down and to the left. That extended range green candle we saw on the weekly chart, that was on earnings, which is why we have this gap. All gaps get filled at some point or another. So this is where the liquidity is going to be. It's going to be down sub $26. Anywhere in this region here, if you're going to place trades, you got to be prepared to get chopped up. Scrolling it back out to the weekly chart, the chart is suggesting play the extremes. Look to short above $35. Look to buy below $26. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.